Okay guys, so we're gonna be reading some cliffhanger. Yeah. Go over there, over there, over there. Over there, over there, over there. Okay, I already read this one, so yeah. You know what, Jack? But I just looked, and nothing was there. You know, I read once that cheaters are super paranoid. They start seeing things, hearing things. Stop it. I'm already freaked out enough. I'm still hearing noises. Why don't you call Dad? He's at work. I'm sure he'd leave work for you. Go with mommy, mommy, mommy. I'm sure Dan would do anything for you. Would you stop it? Oh my god. There's definitely something out there. What do you hear? Someone just knocked on the window. Are you being serious? Yes. Are you going to call the cops? No, shh. I don't know. Shh. Should I? I think you should make sure someone is out there first. I'll check again. It was just a stray cat. I looked out the window and I saw it down there. Told you it was just paranoia. Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater. I don't even know why I'm still talking to you. You're acting like a complete psycho. Jack, it's over, Jack. Don't call or text this number. And keep your mouth shut. Goodbye. 20 minutes later. Jack, I'm freaking out. I'm hearing scratches by the window and it's not the cat. I texted Dan, but he's busy at work. What do you want me to do about it? I thought you never wanted to talk to me again. I don't know who else to turn to. I think I'm going to call the cops. Don't do that. Why not? I'm freaking out, Isaiah. What if someone is out there? Look close, all blind, okay? I don't even know where I'm helping you, but turn the porch light and turn on some music. If someone is out there, it'll scare them off. Okay, I'll do it now. Done. And I triple check the windows, and triple check the locks on the doors and windows, but no one but Dan, and I have the key. So it should be okay. Are you seriously You just broke up. What?